Hello everyone, welcome back to Home and Creativity with Monique. So this is a part of my part 2 Thanksgiving dinner video. So I'm just showing you guys how I make my baked mac and cheese. And so I started off with two 16-ounce boxes of elbow macaroni, and pretty much you just want to just go by the packaging information of how you cook macaroni noodles. So of course you have to boil them in some hot water, and I add a little salt. So I don't let my noodles cook like to a complete doneness, because they're going to finish cooking when I make my mac and cheese and they bake in the oven. So I'm just showing you guys that I'm making a roux, and that's 1 stick of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I add in 32 ounces of heavy cream, and I'm just gonna let this come to a simmer. Alright, and I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk, and I'm gonna let that again come to a simmer. And in that process, I also cut up an 8-ounce block of Velveeta cheese. I'm gonna add that into my roux mixture, and I'm going to mix this until the cheese melts. So everything is sped up because I didn't want to make my videos terribly long, but in this segment here, the Velveeta cheese has melted, and I'm going to add in 2 cups of shredded cheese. I have mild and sharp cheddar that I mixed in with the roux. So when all of my cheeses have melted in my roux, as you can see here, I have my macaroni noodles inside of my aluminum pan that it'll bake in, and I just added my roux into the macaroni noodles, and I'm giving it a good stir. I'm gonna add all of that roux in, and I'm going to add in an additional 2 cups of shredded sharp cheese. I'm going to mix that all in together. So after I mix all of the shredded cheddar cheese up, I'm going to add in my seasonings of my choice. And the seasoning that I use some salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. So those are the seasonings that I use. I also maybe put in about 2 tablespoons of sugar in my macaroni as well. So once I get all of this mixed up very well, then I'm going to put a layer of shredded cheese on top. Then I'm going to place this in my oven at 400 degrees, covered with aluminum foil, and I'm going to let that bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. Then I will take it out of the oven and place it back in the oven uncovered, so that it can get that signature cheese browning on top. And I will put that in there the second time for about 15 or 20 minutes, and my macaroni will be done. So though I've already kind of foretold everything, I'm just gonna let you guys just look at the video with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe it can be a recipe that you may want to try, or maybe not. But just once again, I thank you guys so much for watching.